Hello, my little blossoms. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Kids, this is your English class. And kids, in today's class, we will do book reading. आज हम क्या करेंगे अपनी क्लास में? Book reading. So kids, take out your book. Teach me alphabets. आप अपनी कौन सी बुक निकालेंगे? Teach me alphabets and open it. Kids, this is letter A. This is our first letter A. And the sound of letter A is F. The sound of letter A is A. A is for apple. A is for apple. A is for aeroplane. A is for aeroplane. A is for aunt. A is for aunt. A is for X. A is for X. Now come to the next letter. Our next letter is letter B. The sound of letter B is B. The sound of letter B is B. B is for boy. B is for ball. B is for butterfly. B is for balloon. Kids, B is for balloon. Now tell me what comes after B. लेटर बी के बाद कौन सा लेटर आएगा? टेल मी यस लेटर सी. दिस इज लेटर सी एंड द फोनिक साउंड ऑफ लेटर सी इज क. द साउंड ऑफ लेटर सी इज क. सी इज फॉर कैट. सी इज फॉर काउ. काउ गिव अस मिल्क ना. काउ हमें मिल्क देती है ना. एंड सी इज फॉर कार. सी इज फॉर कार. सी इज फॉर cake. C is for cake. Now come to the next letter. Letter D. This is letter D. Capital D. D. The sound of letter D is D. The sound of letter D is D. D is for dog. D is for dog. D is for doll. D is for deer. And D is for duck. D is for duck. Now come to the next letter. Letter E. This is letter E. E. The sound of letter E is A. The sound of letter E is E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. E is for egg. E is for egg. E is for eagle. E is for engine. E is for engine. Now come to the next letter. Letter F. This is letter F. The phonic sound of letter F is F. The sound of letter F is F. F is for frog. F is for frog. F is for flower. F is for fish. F is for fox. Now tell me what comes after letter F. Letter F के बाद क्या आएगा? Tell me. Yes, letter G. This is letter G. The sound of letter G is G. The sound of letter G is G. G is for giraffe. G is for giraffe. G is for gift. G is for gift. G is for grapes. G is for girl. G is for girl. Now come to the next letter. Letter H. This is letter H. The sound of letter H is H. The sound of letter H is H. H is for horse. H is for horse. H is for hen. H is for helicopter. H is for hut. H is for hut. Now come to the next letter. Letter I. This is letter I. The phonic sound of letter I is E. The phonic sound of letter I is E and I. Phonic sound हमारी क्या है letter I की? E and I. So kids, I is for ice cream. I is for igloo. I is for ice. And I is for iron. I I is for iron. Now tell me what comes after letter I. I के बाद कौन सा letter आएगा हमारा? Tell me, hurry up. Yes, letter J. Letter J. The sound of letter J is J. The sound of letter J is J. J is for joker. J is for joker. J is for jelly. J is for juice. आप सब पीते हो ना कूल जूस. And J is for jug. J is for jug. And kids, now come to the next letter. Letter K. This is letter K. The sound of letter K is K. The sound of letter K is K. K is for king. K is for king. K is for kite. You all will see na in the sky. आप सबने sky में देखते हो ना kite. K is for kettle. K is for kettle. K is for kangaroo. The K is for kangaroo. Now come to the next letter. Letter L. This is letter L. L is for, and the sound of letter L is L. The sound of letter L is L. L is for lion. L is for lion. L is for lemon. L is for lemon. L is for laptop. L is for laptop. And L is for leaf. And L is for leaf. So kids, this is our alphabets A to L. आज हमने क्या कर रहा है? आज हमने बुक रीडिंग करी है ना alphabets A to L की. So kids, you all will read and recognize these letters as well as its pictures also. आप सबको क्या करना है? आप सबको इन लेटर्स को रीड करना है और रिकॉग्नाइज करना है, पहचान करनी है, और इनकी पिक्चर्स की भी. ओके, सो किड्स, डू योर बुक रीडिंग एट योर होम. बाय बाय किड्स, टेक केयर.